Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is refurbished or not. So go to your general and then go to about, and then from here you can see your model number is start with MGD. So if this starts with F, then your iPhone was refurbished. So let's check it out. So go to browser or Safari. From here you can see if your model number is starts with F, then your iPhone is refurbished. But if it starts with M, it was purchased from the new Apple store. So yeah, so my model is M, so my one is new one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.